Nice line. Really good transition from high to low. You're supposed to dead handstand that release skill. Awesome. That's actually called a Shushinova, named after all-around champion Yelena Shushinova. Full twisting double. So far, great gymnastics at the Nastia Liukin Cup.
One of the cool things about this competition is you see girls all different levels. You know, the majority of them are at the level 10 level, but you have, so excited, so cool to see. But, you know, high level difficulty, a little lower, but this is extremely high difficulty. This release move, I don't think it's really even done in the elite gymnastics anymore.
Yeah, very few gymnasts are doing it. Really nice look in the air, too. She's going to do a double back somersault, but she'll do a half twist and then one more half twist and just the slightest little slide back. That'll be just a 1/10 of a point, but a really great set.